Hey everybody, it's your friend Moonhorse. I'm here with my sister and my nephew.
Hola.
We got from our friend Enigma Naboo. He sent us a thing. Crinkling your hearing is the bag. A box of Japanese candy from Tono-sama Gold Prize. It's a bunch of random candies, and we're gonna try each one. I'm gonna try and take a picture of the wrapper. Let me get my phone so I can do that. Before we open each one, we're gonna take a picture of it so that you guys can see it. Let me get my camera. So I'm gonna let you decide on which one we should try first because you're the guest star here.
Okay. Let's try one of these things.
One of these things. Let me get a picture of it because I would. The reason we're taking pictures and they'll be spliced into the video is because I literally don't know what they're called. I can't read kanji, so it's all in Japanese. I don't read Japanese. That's our and something Winnie the Pooh. So let's open this thing up. I'm scared.
Yeah, I'm a little scared.
We're gonna see what is. Whoa, what is? Okay.
All right.
It's some kind of rice thing.
Kind of looks like a churro.
I can't get it open all the way. Hold on. I'm opening it up more. Oh, this needs another picture.
What does it smell like?
It smells. I don't know. What is that?
It smells like a potato chip.
Yeah, kind of like a salty.
Yeah.
I should probably have a paper towel. This looks like it's about to make a mess.
Yeah, this could be interesting.
I'm scared. I'm scared, y'all. I don't know what this thing is. It frightens me. But let's see what we can do. Let's
try anything once, you know?
Yeah, let's see if we can break a piece off of here. I'll give you one half, and I'll take
Alright.
the other. Oh, it's like leaving particles everywhere.
Yeah, what is this smell?
I don't know. It's some kind of.
I'm gonna just bite it.
Yeah, I don't know what it is, but okay. You ready?
All right, you ready?
Let's take a bite. 3,
All
2,
right,
1,
one.
do it.
It's not terrible.
Oh, that's weird. Oh, it has
yeah.
an aftertaste.
Yeah,
Oh
never
no!
mind.
Oh
Oh,
god!
no.
Oh god! That was a mistake.
Yeah.
Oh my god! Oh!
Yeah, no.
Oh my god!
You can have that.
No! Oh!
It's almost
Oh,
like,
what is that flavor?
it's kind of like an oniony,
Yes,
but
like a real musty onion, like an
yes,
old
like a musty onion.
Like
Yeah,
ugh.
a musty
Ugh.
onion. Not
Do I have
a
a-
good.
Yeah, I have a
good
trash
thing.
bag in here. Let me get a trash bag. I didn't think about this. Who'd have thought I'd need to throw something away in the middle of a video? Just no. This thing is
This
no.
is a no. Yeah, that's not. That's a.
That was a loss. That
That's
was
a no thank you bite, if you will.
That was a no. That was a rough one. Oh my god. Ah.
Yeah, it's
Oh, I
Yeah.
can still taste it. Ugh.
Yeah, I can too.
Oh.
Oh wait, I got drink here.
Yeah, let me get something to drink. Oh my god.
Yeah,
oh
that's,
my god, that's horrible. Oh.
Yeah, that's not a good thing there. Yeah, like you said, it's musty onion.
Yeah.
Musty
Ugh.
onion.
Oh shit, that was
that's
rough.
not. Let me get me a paper towel. Yeah, that was No,
Oh, no.
good. No good.
Okay. Do you want to try picking another one, or do you want me to pick one?
Let you pick one this time.
Okay. Let's see what we got here. Let's try.
Just looking. Oh, they're tiny. No, I thought they were bears.
I don't know what that is, but it's.
That looks like a tiny sausage.
Yeah, I don't think I want to do that one right now. This is another one of those rolls, but this one worries me. Those rolls worry me.
Are they all different, or are
I think they're all different. I just don't know what they are.
Yeah, those were scary.
There's another one of these somewhere. This one. Okay, I'm gonna do this one. It's got a ramen box, I think. That's the only way I can think to
Yeah, it
describe
looks like ramen.
Let me get a picture. I know, man. Be thankful you don't have to eat this.
Can he play with this? One of these?
Yeah, it does. It doesn't matter if it gets too messed
Here, you
up.
want to
I
hold
guess.
it? Ooh, check that out.
So,
Yeah, that's pretty
this
cool.
is... Let me see if I can get it open and see what's in there.
I wish we knew the names.
Yeah, I don't read any of the names. I don't know what they are. They're all in Japanese. It is ramen.
Is it?
It's little... I mean, that's just a ramen
That's
noodle.
not bad. Yeah,
No.
that's just like a ramen noodle.
It's basically just crushed up flavored ramen noodles.
Yeah, those are not bad.
I could see eating that.
Yeah, I'm glad that wasn't a fail.
No.
The first one was a fail.
That one was pretty bad, yeah.
That was pretty bad.
I might finish those later.
That's kind of weird looking.
Oh.
It looks like fish.
I don't know what that is. It's up to you.
Scary.
I'm going to let you pick the next one.
I'm really intrigued about these.
It's something Winnie the Pooh.
Yeah, there's 2 in there, so.
Oh, well, let's do one each then.
Okay, you want to do one each?
Yeah, let me take a picture of it. Okay. They're the same one from the looks of it.
Kind of feels like a marshmallow.
I think it is.
Yeah, I think it's
a
going to be
little
a flavored marshmallow.
Let's,
No, you don't need to eat the paper. Look at
buddy man.
it. You really don't want to eat it. It's
No,
nasty,
trust me.
nasty.
Once it gets in your mouth, you can be like, oh no.
Yeah, it's nasty, nasty. You want your cookie?
Okay. Let me have some water, get this ramen taste out of my mouth.
Yeah, the ramen wasn't bad. That was not bad. Put that right here because it's got spit on it.
Yeah, that was pretty good.
Yeah, that was not bad. I would try that again. Here. Hold on, let me open it.
Let's see what these are.
Smells really good.
Oh, you're not kidding. That smells real good.
Like I said, it looks like a marshmallow. Looks like it might be filled with something. Maybe?
Yeah, it feels like it is. It feels kind of...
Oh, yeah, it does. All right.
Smells good. All right,
1,
ready?
2,
3.
3. That's not bad at all.
No, that's pretty good.
Here, I'll get back.
I don't know what the filling is, and I can't really describe the flavor.
Yeah, I like that, though.
It's sweet. It's very sweet. It does feel just kind of like some kind of flavored marshmallow. There's like a peat with a cherry filling.
Yeah, I don't know what the inside is, but it's not bad.
Some kind of like taffy.
Yeah.
That was really good.
That was good.
That was really good.
All right, your turn.
Okay. Let's see. I'm trying to find something I have a bunch of, or... Oh.
They look like Smarties.
Yeah, these do. They look like little Smarties. Let's get our picture.
Can you sit down?
Click. Okay, let's see what these are. This is Happy Bunny and Squirrel Friend.
Well, it's like
candies.
the funny bunny.
Yeah. Pick a color, any color.
I'm gonna go with the pink one here.
I got a white one, I think. Yeah. Okay. Ready?
1, 2, 3. I'm not really getting a flavor from this one.
It's not bad. That was lemon. That was a strong lemon. That white one, I bit it. That was like lemonade.
This one kind of tastes green, is the best way I can explain it.
You had the pink one?
Yeah.
Let me see. I have one of those.
Not too good. It's not great. Not terrible, but to me it tastes like green.
Like, almost like a lime.
Yeah.
It's very citrusy. They all seem to be... There's an orange one, too. I'm going to try the orange one.
Yeah, let me try one of these orange ones.
That is an orange. That is a very strong orange.
That is an orange.
These are strong, but they're good.
Yeah, that one's not bad.
They kind of taste like really strong Smarties. Like,
yeah. Funny?
Well, apparently he liked it, so...
That's funny.
Okay. You want to do one more, and then we'll call it, because this video is almost... Well, it's a little over 10 minutes.
Yeah, I want to try these.
Okay. These are... I have no idea what these are. They look like little sugar crystals.
Yeah, it kind of looks like a pop... what you call it? Candy... What is
Rock
it called?
candy.
Rock candy, yeah. There you go.
Like nerds.
Yeah. Oh, baby Pikachu. Look at that. I feel like this is probably bubblegum.
I think you might be right.
Yeah.
There's one in here that's got a little Pikachu on it. I'll try the pink one.
I'm gonna go with the green one.
Okay. Ready?
Are you ready? 1, 2,
3.
3. This is not bad.
Yeah, they're like nerds. They're just little sugar crystals.
Yeah. The green one is obviously green tasting, like a lime.
Yeah. The pink one kind of tastes like strawberries.
Okay.
It's a white one.
Let me try the pink one. Yeah, these are not bad.
They're really good. I could see eating these a lot.
Yeah, I could eat those. It's like a nerd.
Every now and then I breathe out and I taste that other thing.
Yeah, that first thing was not.
That was a bad one to start with.
Yeah, that kind of put a damper on the whole experiment.
Oh my goodness.
I'm really intrigued by that thing.
It's some kind of liquid,
Yeah,
huh?
it's a liquid.
Well, that might have to be another video. I think we're going to need
Yeah.
like a cup. This one looks like it
Yeah.
might be a mess.
Oh, that just looks like jelly beans, maybe.
Okay. You want to do one more, or do you want to end this one here?
Yeah, let's do one more.
Okay.
I'm really intrigued by this.
Some kind of rice cracker.
Yeah.
I'm going to take a picture of it.
Yeah.
I don't know what this is.
Some kind of, yeah, like a wafer type thing.
It's got a happy tree on it.
Hopefully it's a happy candy.
Kabuki Sukeroku, produced by Mamanoki. This looks like some kind of rice thing. I'm gonna open it up. Here we go. If I can. It doesn't open. One of these ways. There it goes. Okay, so it's open and
Pull my pants down.
it smells funny. I don't know. What do you think?
Oh god, it smells like that first thing.
Oh yeah, that might be a bad thing. This might be a bad ending, you guys. I'm gonna try to split it.
Do small bite.
I'm gonna take it in half. There we go.
All
It's all over my hands. Ugh.
Not
Okay.
not what I was expecting on the inside.
No. You ready?
All right, 1, 2,
Three.
3. It's almost sweet.
Almost like caramel corn.
Yeah, like maybe a
But-
Cracker Jack.
Not that sweet though, but like,
No,
what's that undertaste? I know that.
definitely not what I was expecting it to taste like.
It tastes like if you made caramelized popcorn out of Tony Chachere's.
Yeah, there's.
And it's kind of like
yeah.
a fish flavor. It's kind of got like a spice to it.
Okay, that wasn't bad. Like,
No, it's pretty good.
Definitely didn't taste like I thought it was going to.
Yeah, it could have been a lot worse.
Yeah, I was honestly expecting it to taste like the first thing.
That thing scares me.
Yeah, that was.
I'm not okay with that. Well, that was fun.
Yeah, that was fun.
We enjoy doing these kind of things. If you guys ever want to send me something weird to try, I can try them with a lot of people. And some of these I'm still worried about. Some of these look like meat.
Yeah, some of them look like
And
meat.
that scares me.
This definitely looks like a small sausage.
That thing, I don't know. Some of these terrify me.
With a little happy panda on it. I think that's a panda.
The onions and the frog one. The little soda looks good.
There's that one, and then there's like a gummy one.
Yeah, we'll have to try those another time.
Yeah.
But thank you all for watching. This was great.
Yeah, thanks you guys.
If you have anything you want to send us to try, the address should be in the description down below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, because it kind of pisses off YouTube, and I think that's really funny. And I have a Patreon. I have a merch store. I forgot the word merch for a minute there. I'm a professional. I love you all so very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, goodbye.
Bye.